my lovelies, welcome to my channel. If you don't already know, go follow my vegan channel. I'll leave that in the description box below. All recipes and how-to videos will be on that channel, not this one. So if you want to see that, definitely check the description box below for the link to my vegan channel. But yes, I'm coming at you guys with a what I eat in a day video. And of course, we're gonna start the morning with breakfast. So I'm gonna show you guys what I eat for breakfast. Before I eat anything, I do start with my vitamins. I get my vitamins from Alkaline herb store. So I have 4 that I take on a daily. And that is my chlorophyll, my iron, my happy colon, and my sea moss and bladderwrack. So first I start by taking 5 of my sea moss capsules, and honestly if I'm eating not so well I take 6 because sea moss is really good at removing any mucus from your body, and of course mucus is the cause of everything wrong with the human body. So I start off with this. And for water, I only drink spring water, but only Crystal Geyser, Evian, or Fiji, and I always have a key lime in my water, which helps flush out toxins out your body. Then I follow up with my colon, my happy colon, and I take 3 of these. It just keeps you regulated. Then I follow up with my iron, and then I take 4 of these. And what I like most about this iron, it doesn't leave me constipated or bloated like a lot of the other irons do. Lastly, I take my chlorophyll, which is a natural body deodorizer. I'll leave a lot of the benefits in the description box below if I don't say it out loud for you guys, just so you know. And if you're interested in any of my vitamins, definitely check the description box below. I'll leave a link on where I get my vitamins. I receive a lot of questions about my skin and how I maintain my skin. Sea moss and bladderwrack is really good for the skin and for clearing your skin, so this is major key. But now I'm going to get into my food. So I didn't meditate yet today, so I'm gonna do that in a bit after I eat breakfast. But it's just gonna be really simple just to get my day started. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm starting with some dates. Now I get these from Trader Joe's and they have the pits in them. I'm just going to start with 5 of these. They're really good for fiber. They're very filling, and they satisfy your sweet tooth like majorly. Then I'm going in with mango. This mango was like literally my life. So I'm just chopping this up into chunks. Then these hairy looking things are called rambutans, and they're absolutely amazing. They're a tropical fruit, and I'm just going to have about 5 of these with my meal. And yeah, they take a little bit of work to dish out, but they're good. Then I'm just following up with my spring water with my key lime, of course. And yeah, I try to have 16 ounces of water with my breakfast. This is breakfast. So yummy, and it'll keep me energized and super simple. If you haven't had a date yet, you're missing out. Thank me later. See you in a bit. Of course, I know you guys are gonna ask me what I have for snacks. So typically I will have just a handful of walnuts. And these are raw walnuts, so there's nothing on them. But I mean, to each their own. You could have ones with salt, but I just prefer to get the raw ones. I'll just take a big spoonful like this, and voila, that's my snack. I already ate it, so yeah, I forgot to show you guys. All right, my love, so I'm having kind of a late lunch, and you guys know in the winter the sun sets entirely too fast. So I just finished making my homemade spelt tortillas. So if you want to see how I make these, check the description box below. I will link the how-to video there, and it will be on my vegan channel, so don't forget to subscribe there. But it's super simple. I just finished making some homemade guacamole as well. Just have my homemade guac. It's been sitting in the fridge chilling. Basically, all I'm gonna do is take one of my Spelt tortillas. As you can see, I make them pretty much palm size, and I'm just going to scoop some of my guac on it. And pretty much this will be my lunch. So just a fresh Persian cucumber and my Spelt tortillas and guac. This is like my fresh version of a pickle. Since pickles have a lot of sodium, I like to get the Persian ones and act like I'm eating a pickle. First, I'm gonna follow up with some water with my key lime in it, of course. Cheers. I'm gonna go take a shower and relax. I thought I was recording this whole time. All right. It's dinner time and I'm super excited. I probably should turn more lights on. I don't know if that helped. But okay, so I'm gonna drink some more water. I tried to drink, if not a full gallon of water, like literally saving this much to the bottom. I try to get through the whole thing. Okay, and then for dinner, it is kind of a late dinner and this may be heavy for some. If this is a heavy dinner for you, you could swap the lunch for dinner and this. Did I just make that make any sense? You could swap this for your lunch and the other one for lunch for dinner. You get what I mean. Okay, so for dinner, I'm having this lentil pasta and it has eggplant, red bell peppers, mushrooms, garlic, seasonings, olive oil, and it's just absolutely amazing. I made it yesterday for dinner, so these are my leftovers. And yeah, this is how I'm finishing my night. Toodles. So if you enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day video, definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want any of the recipes from this video, go on over to my vegan channel. I'll leave the link either in one of these corners or the description box below. And I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you later. Deuces.